Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanique and I help beginners create, launch, and sell their first digital products online using simple tools and AI. Today, I'm breaking down for you in this video how you can get started in creating your first digital product using AI, and you can create this even if you're an absolute beginner, you've never done this before, and or you don't know where to start. By the end of this video, you'll know what type of digital products you can create, how to validate your ideas, and how to use AI to create the digital products for you, and how to package and sell these also as well. And before we dive in, I just want to let you know that I've created a free guide for you where I talk about 5 AI digital products ideas that you can get started in creating today. I've linked it down in the description box below, so grab it now. Most beginners get stuck because they don't know what digital product to create. But the truth is, you don't need a big niche, a business plan, or even a brand. All you need is one problem that you know how to solve. Here are some beginner-friendly digital products that you can create using AI today. So you can start with a simple ebook. You can sell a template. You can do planners. You can sell a mini course or even a AI prompt pack. The easiest place to start is with a simple ebook, a checklist, or even a simple template because AI can generate 80% of the content for you. So these are very easy to create using AI tools such as ChatGPT or even Claude. If you know how to do makeup, you can create a simple makeup beginner checklist, an everyday makeup routine ebook, or a 10-step natural glam template. So if you know beauty, fitness, cooking, online business, whatever it is that you know how to do, you can create a digital product around it. So before you create anything, before you create a digital product, because you don't want to waste your time, you want to make sure that you're validating the topic that you're going to create a digital product around. You don't want to create a digital product that doesn't solve a problem and no one buys it because it's not something that, anyone needs. Here's the fastest method you can use to validate your digital product. So you want to search your topic or the niche that you're choosing to create a digital product around using TikTok or YouTube. So if you search it and you realize that this topic, people are talking about it, people are searching for it, then it's a good topic to create your digital product around. Another way you can validate your digital product is to check it on Etsy, because Etsy is a place where you will definitely see what products are selling. So once you go to Etsy, you want to search guides, planners, ebooks, mini courses in your niche, and then you'll definitely see a list of the things that are selling right now. You'll see the numbers, you see the pricing, you'll see everything on Etsy once you search the product that you're trying to sell. And the most ironic way to validate your digital product is, of course, asking AI. So you want to go to the AI, ask the AI what products you can create in your industry, what are the problems that you can solve, and boom, the AI will give you instant validation on the idea. It will literally tell you if there's a hungry market searching for these digital products. So if other people are selling it, then that is proof that you can sell it too. Now you're going to create your digital product using AI. So I'll show you a quick and easy workflow of how you can get started on doing. Step one, you want to use the AI to outline your digital product. A simple prompt that you can use in ChatGPT to get started into generating your content ideas or your outline are: create a 7-step outline for beginners, for a beginner friendly digital product. And then you want to put the name of your digital product, and you want to ask it to include the key points for this product and also to outline it. So make sure that you give it the exact prompt. And if you're interested, I have a prompt pack. I will list it down in the description box below, where I share a few prompts on how you can get started in creating your own digital products with it. When you use this prompt, then it will literally give you the structure of the product that you're trying to create. Step number 2, you're going to use AI to write the content for your product. So a simple prompt that you can use for this part is to ask the AI to expand on section 1 in a simple and friendly tone for beginners and give you 5 examples. So after it gives you the first part, which is the outline, then after it lays out that section, then you're going to ask the AI again to expand on this section. So this will give you your content. So you're going to do these in steps. Step number 3 for this simple workflow is you want to format your product in Canva. So you want to go to Canva and then you want to type in the search bar guide, ebook, whatever it is that you're create. You're going to type that word and and you will see all the templates that comes up for that product. Then you want to drag and drop these and edit them in Canva. And inside of Canva, what you can do is to change the colors, change the text, change the fonts, add your own photos so that it looks professional instantly. And then step 4, you want to export this as a PDF file. So once it is that you're done using ChatGPT, you formatted your digital product in Canva and done your design, then you're going to export it and then it's ready to be sold. So after you've done all of this, you might be asking, where am I going to sell these products? How am I going to package and sell these products? So some of the easiest places that you can sell your digital products are Etsy, Payhip, Gumroad, or Stan Store. So some of these places are free to sell your digital products on, but some of them you would have to pay a monthly subscription just to put your digital products on these platforms. Sometimes you'll also have to promote your digital products there as well. So some price points for selling these products are $7 to $27 for a simple ebook guide, $47 to about $97 for a little mini course. And if you want to get into a larger course, then you can even go all the way up to, I see people selling courses for $2,000. So those are just some simple price points that you can start with. So after you're done doing all of this, you want to market your digital products using the same AI tools that you use to create it. And you can use the AI to generate social media content. So you can use these to generate Instagram carousel posts. You can use them to generate posts for Pinterest, Facebook, or even TikTok videos. You can generate these using AI. AI does the heavy lifting for you, so you don't have to overcomplicate it. And this is how you're going to use AI to create your first digital product from start to finish. If you follow all the steps that I talked about in this video, you can create a digital product within a weekend if you follow all the steps that I shared earlier. And if this video was valuable for you, if you enjoyed this video today, don't forget I created a free guide for you. Click the link down in the description box below to grab it now. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.